nase omwalio bomutinyiga ogatano onalimo monche murigiriria na kibwakire litukeriga ria Jumatatu na gukwaniri andonsi ase oigwete eriogeri koru na boigo okonyora chibiche chiga monche murigiriria no kugania kwane kuna kwabire kugutwara obutuko obwarenge obotoreru kigema na boigo omutinyi ogo ekirogo chobwa kanse niko orache wa kanse in style. Good morning na boigo nekirogo chake wiki yao ekiro bono okubeko gusaba kwao litukeriga ria Jumatatu gose mambe iga ya bono nigora nchengo kukuganiria onyare guchake wiki yao asinjira iri eyo mongso kegima. Karibu sana asemirobere ya Getembe TV yeri tukeriga ria Jumatatu eyo wiki yega yonsi namonekera tugutambuka ndo cyumutinyo gatano na kabiri nande no kunya gusabana omonguru atubekamo elinde tunyare gusanga asinjira yo bwekirano chingaki chonsi nchengo kwa Matildah Obaigwa na cross studio kabire tukubwatirana nere Mike na boigo Jasper na umonchu murigere no konyorenga ene wikeri ekero abange mwanya gitinge baganyirete ugocha kwa Dr. Fred Matiangi aiga ase orogongoro gusiekera bono kororokana muna chi campaign echa chakire officially nonya edit kuregoro negwete amatogonyora konya ko bugenchera getega bakonya kubeka matera ege kororokana nga bono eronde yo mugusi wa mwire korene nekero tugusaba buna ekero chi campaign nonya chi campaign chigo chaka chichake chire chobo toero nande echo morembe na oboigo ayeto bose gutumika asinjira eri embe anomono chingaki bune chiga nande weka agendera kubeka abarai baito asama sawe kyagira noroche kikegenderete asichinsemo noroche kikegenderete ase oburai ime ye nse yeto ya Kenya na boigo nonye kurwa ase orogongo orwagusi igomancho murigereria na bonsi ngokaneria bonsi bari bobwate gose baigwete mebero bobechinga kichiga chapono mambi banyara utwara okubwena kwa bongo na boigo bari ase obokendu basererigo na bamwabo bravo twara gose nyora engora ayane kuraiga chingaki chapono mambi gose kuraiga asigitaseni kya Getembe TV moncho murigeria na nekero onkorigeria ritkuregoro omoche busongo embeoti yarengengi yaigo anamono nekero tokorigeria oroboti kurwa ase chiro ya marigiti aiga se bukatagati bumoche busongo eyo yokone chingeni gose egotwara chingeni na boigo amatunda bono nigo abamenye gose bari abonchoreria asense meyo anyalete konyora asara enene na boigo gotigara bari eroro magea yo morero mutindi gosamba ebibanda byabona boigo ebintu byabo biri bagutumeka gukorera obonchoreria koya gwika okoera umonche murigire chibichecho bunachikubwatia na boigo nekero bakurukiriro kyabo cya serikali ya county na boigo abarai bande wesonane erio koene kyabo na banyare ko bakonya na boigo kubasira elindo banyare konyora biria basiriri gwetera ase omuriro yo
sana abana ba mama abangi baba basaje nabo bare maiga abana basaje baba basirire keneneke gakinya sati gakonyo ndi bwensi obwato mu bangoyo gakinya sata mu amolembe nere na mu ntubuna afanyi biashara bechiro nje nayo mawa yarenje bintu bya no byarenge yakini mbiye tindu gakonya bike lakini abangi na baitu bechi nyeni abangi na baitu ba serious omongi no itoko to supply serious at least na are mbaka list about this stock yesterday 800,000
finance bile ko yeto tere account mu to gojogwa kurende gadi nkwango to gojogwa ase nyo to igwete ngabone muri weito to kaba shuadi abantu baminda mu igwete inga tare 17 serikali yeto account njabe geta appeal igoro bole mobo botere ko weito erinde elio amangana ya uchenzi echikogwati kare abekere budget yabero gukumia aso botukuwabo ukera lero ko boliga gaki serikali yetu achari imekuwa omo gavana ito gavana toko sikete to wanchete ne cabinet yao amuna bapunge bonse be Kisii county na kiyale ngoko babuya obaro lenge kiyabwango na mbeyemo mumanyinga obole mobo bali bakukiri mukobo bwabo na bato sambera
onyiga your excellence igo toko gosaba ngora konyora abantu ndurateba gusina kwaza mbagorongeri nasokie clip gekoro kinga obole muno bwaye ndwa kwananga kero twacheta swansuri office ndora kati gute map of this market mune boundary ito ye market yengana togo sabaiga e governor Simbarat amo naba MCA baho naba chumbe bakere constituency twasabire iga mochema abangina nkorera tole naitwa baraitwaliri inchomo namnango kwana iga nasali ya mali abwata around 150 aso taigo mali ana ire tetari madali togo sabango toko ye togo sabayo mo no soka muna mokori gichikura yabo igo bono soka
Owechana okonene sana mwancho muligire kubwatikana no muliro y'umutindi nigo abarai aukro ase county ya Kisii bakora wano yore umukonyi w'umugavana Elijah Obebo banyarete gutaraweka ase chinsemecho cha marigiti na boigo nekiro banyarete koira ebiro na boigo koria eira yokone kyabuna ngochi bare gukora ukwagacha wechire yo na boigo gusira abonjoreri abari banyarete konyora asara kubwatikana no muliro yo
kotini na ameshinda. Angekuja ambia wananchi ameshinda kesi, tujue tunawachukua wapi. Lakini kwa hiyo kesi hakuna kitu tunakubaliana. Na kesi county ilirudisha kotini, tukashinda, tukasema soko ijengwe hapa. Igomwa motondi bwesta hiyo chake kubule mbono kwechiro.
Binadamu wafanywe mambo kama haya hapa nyuma. Inakuaje kwamba leo hii watakuja mipango ifanywe ichomwe hapa peke yake, mali nyingine isiguswe? Huo ni ungwana kweli? Hata kama ni kipofu si tunaona na tutatora maji mmoja. Serikali ya county kiongozwa na mheshimiwa Paul Simbarati mbale kama tuupone kwa ile ndege hii ngoikara tukono wara erebu yako serebu na maombi asubuhi na mapema ndoara. Wale wote wamepata janga, wamepata shida hii yote. Number 1 hoteli tunafagia hapa. Hii mabaki yote takataka hii tunatoa, hii wamechoma. Hapa ngine nikilia mangananya.
Sasa wako ni matunda. Na aliye ni bono maminano lege tete. Na icheko kia kulio mono galibo monchari. Na nchi na kinata yeleka kuikanga ichaiga ndela mona iwe. Mbobe na kolile. Ona senge ichawala iwale wakwanila. Mate bilenga kerokende gaseta ka immediately. Na nchi mule ndego tela na nchi ikambeko koboko. Ndete mesumari ya 20,000 shillings. We support you. We can use Kelvin and Naviale again. I want to make
Umujumbe okitutu chache South Omosike Antone Ikivagendi nigori tukoreyoro anyarete kwerera egati ya magendero ari abereka wekirania ase constituency iyaye naboigo na anyarete gukwanira ogokonga kubogima aiga asense ya Kenya nekero abolire mwanyagitinge banyare konekia una ase chinga kichiga banyare gutwara amaizo gose banyare gutwara oborori ane muno ase obochori obonene eborebocio o robotioro na rwariganiri no muriketo Gabriel Nyakundi.
Mubunge webunge ya kitutu chache South County ya Kisii Antony Kibagendi litkorero ni goira libagalia yo kwerera mangana ao ya magendero akoreire abananchi bensemo eyo asiboigo aganirie baraboko ba chinga kichingia abarai bale as abc nigo alengeko yakwana as umeyigabu muchango uko yichangira ekanisa ya St Monica Kiamwasi.
Me for the support you gave me to become your member of parliament. Kuna mwangete gasi, mumaete gasi ngokora through our roads that we have rehabilitated. E basari kero montongo nyorare this this time round a bursary ya TVET ya Technical Teachers Training Colleges na KMTC na nero kayachereriu ekosoka guchakira tariki 10. However, secondary schools and all the universities, all our children have gotten their bursaries. So, we have tried to rehabilitate our roads. Our roads are in a slightly better condition. We may not be able to do all the roads at once. Lakini ndobwate resources inkaigo chokoro chipara chirichikoro unakera eche constituency etinde igochire county ne county nero talina nebwate chipesera asukoro chipara chionsi at the same time. That is why they have priorities in every financial year.
Nigoboigo amentana kugania abagusi gochicha amo iri kumubwatisia umusike Fred Okengo Matiang'i asiganga yayo kuligia urai wense asatebire nigo serikali yabono nigo ere embemono
parliament igo mogo totoma tochiko bakongerio bogima go tochiko bororobia na kiko batebeliga se bali mogo somebu. If you read Proverbs 29 chapter 2, when the righteous are in power, the people rejoice. When the wicked are in power, and that is why Kenyans all over the country are crying. We made a mistake in 2022 to elect a president who would wish us that he would bring us from the bottom to the top. He, however, got into power and it drove him crazy. He started taxing us kiholela. He has messed up our health system. He has messed up the education system. He has messed up the economy. And that is why today, here and now, I want to ask the people of Kiamwasi, na bugetutu chache sauti yonsipi, tubuaterane 2027 tonyare kolenta mabadilika sense ikote konyare kana kubuaterana tole tokwane Matiang'i balenga bale tayari kubuate si Matiang'i kubuaterana tole wanataka Fred akuje to fix this country, to fix the economy, fix health, fix education, and fix everything else that has been messed by the one and only Kasongo.
Guska busio nigo bono mwaziri bubuleni baime omukoro muske Fred Matiang'i bono anyare kuboria aba Kenya banyare gochamo na boigo okubwatana na ase chinga kichiga bagendete gwetira amakongo na boigo nigo anyare goteba obugima bwa kongere asensi ya Kenya obubwirire abakenya bange gutwara oburoro bachakire kurobekana ekero ase ekero na boigo gosaria enibo yabande na chinga kichicho nigo aboliri abana siasa bonzi bali bagende ko waka ekoko yakera ekoko ase chinsemo banyara gokeya siasa kurinde balige enjira yo kwanekia una ngotoria bale ense ya Kenya.
I know some of these wonderful people who are in government. I have worked with some of them before. I do not want to believe that the problem they have is capacity. It isn't capacity. I know some of them. They are smart people. I think they understand the country. Sometimes we get very surprised when we see the things they talk. Because we know them, we know what they can do. They are capable. So we are encouraging them. We don't want to criticize them. We want to encourage them to stand up, rise up, crank together and get some work done. And then carry the burden, sometimes the pleasurable burden of leadership with dignity and grace. And stand out for the country now. So mimi kwa maoni yangu, that's why you have noticed I'm not focusing so much on, talking about siasa and stuff like that. I mean, which siasa are you talking about? 19 people dead. That's what the Kenya Human Rights Commission says. There's so many injured, businesses destroyed. If you look at the looting that was done around, I wonder, finally, let me say this, and I'm saying this with absolute sincerity. I have been moving around, talking to people. I go to, meet people. Look here, I am in charge here today, sitting with these leaders. The level of bitterness and anger down below in the country is unprecedented. I have not seen that before. Now, to imagine that there's nothing wrong and carry on as if it's business as usual, honestly, you have to be a very strange person. We are asking our brothers and sisters, and then, as I said, this is a patriotic moment. This is a time for the country. And what is being called upon now, it's also a leadership moment. Let's stand up and do the right thing for our country. And it cannot be based on excuses, some of them lovable. And in saying so, we are saying this is a patriotic moment. It's a moment for all of us to cross ranks. Wacha tuweke kando hata hiyo mambo ingine yote, siasa nini. We're talking about uchaguzi is 25 or 26 months away. Our country must survive first, and we must be a stable nation before we get there. So let us not even stop talking about those businesses, about elections and stuff like that. Focus on the stability of the country, the welfare of our children. Tuongee sisi wote pamoja. I don't understand why this is it's so difficult. And then when a problem has happened, you know, accepting that we have a challenge does not make you less important, does not take away the power of your office, does not make you a small person. You know, we are human beings. You can actually make mistakes, and then things can go wrong. And if they have gone wrong, the right thing to do is to step forward and say, hey, good people, we think something is not going the right way. Can we now speak? I mean, the Bible is the most quoted text, even by our leaders in government. That same Bible says, come now, let us reason together. It's time for reasoning together for the purpose of ensuring that our country is going the right direction.
Omancho murigerera gutigara asengana yoborai nigo bono omogusi aboriwe gochamo na bwego gukwana aserio gerimo anene mono ekiro bono chinga kichiga gose chinga kiche campaign bono chiachakire na oyore gukwana yaiga nigo are omwana siasa yo mokoro aime ya Kitutu Central Ward Kitutu Chache South ime county ya Kisii omanyakane tumna Omoske Joshua Orina Obegi bono nigo ariko yakwana yakoro ase kanisa ya St Monica Kiamwasi na kiro bono kubodia muna umuguzi na bwanate gutwara chinjira chogo chamo erio kwenekia una nacho kwenyorera igitali kirekene ase serikali egocha.
Fika hapa kama viongozi na kiongozi wa eneo hili la Kitutu Central Ward ili kuhakikisha kwamba tunasukuma gurudumu ya kazi ya Mwenyezi Mungu. Tumefika hapa leo kwa ajili ya mchango wa kanisa letu la Kiamwasi, parish iko hapa. Na ombi langu ni kwamba tushirikiane kama watu wetu wote, aswa sisi watu wa eneo hili la Gusii region, tushikane pamoja kwa maana vile dunia yetu inaonekana na vile mambo yanavyoenda inaonekana tusiposhikana pamoja kama jamii, inaonekana kwamba hata kwa kazi mambo ya maendeleo kama haya yametuleta hapa siku ya leo na mambo mengine ya mashule watoto wetu itakuwa ni vigumu sana. Kwa hivyo ombi langu kwa watu wetu wote pamoja na viongozi wa eneo hili ni kwamba tushikamane pamoja, tukuje pamoja, tupendane kwa ajili ya ile kazi ambayo iko mbele yetu na tushirikiane ili tuweze kuhakikisha kwamba wakati unapowadia vijana wetu ambao wameonekana kuwa na ghadhabu sana na uongozi unaoendelea katika nchi yetu wapate kushika kura zao vizuri na wajitokeze inapofika wakati wa kupiga kura hizi. Hayo ni yale tu tunayoomba watu wetu na tukimtarajia Mwenyezi Mungu aweze kutujalia. Asante sana.
Mwancho murigerera omonjorera abwechi mask oli nyarete wakwa risasi ekero gyokurobekana nigo bono kubwatikana no roboti robot bitukuro asinya gitari rogorokia nigo bono oyiga omanyakanete buna Boniface Kariuki akwete ekebongo chibichecho na sembio.
We received a call at around midnight. It was at around 12:47 midnight from the hospital itself. They needed to have a brief with us, and we have already received the brief. We have been told what is happening, and the reality of the things, what is happening is that Boniface Mwangi Kariuki is confirmed to be brain dead. So that's where and how far we are. The hospital bill now is quite higher. We are at 3-point-something now. So we are praying and hoping now for the well-wishers, because now when somebody has been confirmed brain dead, we know what it means. So the brainstem of Boniface Mwangi Kariuki, it's not working any longer. So for all the well-wishers, we as the family of Boniface Mwangi Kariuki, we cry upon you, because a lot of hopes and promises were being given to us, but none has come through. So on behalf of that, we were given a pay bill for the medical bill fund, whereby is 7682-551 account. It's your name, and the name that it will reflect out of that pay bill, it's Boniface Mwangi Kariuki Medical Fund. So hapo ndipo tuko. Thank you.
Mwancho murigire ase oroboti oro no tagochira umutima komo kego ekereto kwira na terane NH gazeti.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigiriye amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom ya Etwani go engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie liso lyao chingaki ogoswasa yigakurigiriya amabati aiga ntobwate team ya Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye cyugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebereye kende gensi uraganie bagotebereye company ya mabati Rolling Mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbigo babwate Dumerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kwa bogo tumika chingagicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyare kwa bogo kwerera amabate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Ouru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Ouru Complex imeyumu chuligo musongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Salvakia ni nyagitari ya kerero asumu chubusungu ensema ya mwembe mbarbare nigekomo SDA asepare kurobusungu guche Kilgoris nigekurwa obugwenia asenchira ya kerero asugutumia chimashin chekerero abwasibu atabanyagitari bubwate obumanyi bwigoromono mbabwate inpatient wasichi ward na boigo outpatient abasaba roire bakubwenigwa na koira na gochiankam mbabwate maternity ya kerero yubwate chimashin chekerero laboratory yekerero wose ase okorengwa kwibirengo bigoro ekerengo kyobo chinu nigo kirigoro asinya gitari ekobwanya gitari ndionsi asorgongoro iga boigombo bwate ensemo yokomana gose modern theater ensemo yukolingoria nobuwenya bwa maisa gose optical department abase bwate boigo eduka yibirore ase ebigori byonsi etani abu mbwate boigo ensemo ya maina ino kose dental section yebwate chimoshin ichekerero yobwate boigo pharmacy kose duka ya mariogo yebwate amma riogo onsipi aliuraganiriwe gwetania onsi liguriryabo nelianse pi ngwanchira bale umoroberio osha osibali bwate umoroberio osha naboigo nkurike bale umoroberio osha otarigwakanira kende gyonsi asamange bakire simya se namba 0799747414 Silvercare Hospital afeyao nomogoko ito inchuo bono.
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbare njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbare njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege.
Karibu asensemo yechi gazeti ritukeriga ria Jumatatu ritukorire na mange umancho murigereria erinde tunyare gusanga nyore wetira se number 0726447367 enambe yo na rasi kirorege TV yao chinsemo cha Facebook tunyore muna Getembe TV na chinsemo cha YouTube Getembe TV and FM igo neribia ulike eri uko onyekori getie goseko gendete gusanga na inchi chinga kechiga chabona mambi erinde tunyara komanya mbara vitore amo na burabu na boigo nzemo kichiga esigno egendete gose egotwara umuchando na ase obwango mono gazeti ya The Standard yeritko riarero igondo tegotebanga no thank you na bebwate bichaya omwaziri woborendi boime omoske Murkomen na boigo amaboko ari abo abwate bunduki ekorokananga no muntu kuraso na boigo ne bwate egati ya abantu aiga abatatu abo bono ndochenga nigo bate biri omwaziri nga asebono ose na borabo nigo bagotebanga asebono esiyekire tigeraga abo twakire mbia mono oyomo nigagotebanga akoeranga let's not let anger get better of us. We must learn how to manage our frustrations constructively. Oyoigani gamanya kanetuna Stella Cherono oyore police commander korwa ase gitaseni kia Nyandarua korwa ase county ya Nyandarua nigo agotebanga abantu tibatwaro uborogo ikera bagukwana kende gyonsi kosebanyara okora kende gyonsi nareiga nere okorwa ase chinsemo cha Kinangop ime county ya Nyandarua nere ore almost PD omanyekane tebuna William Kiambi when you see the police, don't run. That's the image we want to build. Even a thief, there is no law that says when we catch them, we must kill them. Everyone has a right. You know, mosipedi korase county ya Nyandarua kose korase chinsemo cha Kinangop. Nekero agoteba bono erenga niko ense ya Kenya kosobwa mate poliketie kwa kachwa egati ya banyanyimbo na boigo aba Kenya mbolinga kero kwa rodo banyanyimbo toponati gotama na sense moyende nara igogotebunga you are a liar, you have lied, you will not protect me, all you will protect are your interests. I will be sacrificed in court before a judge and I will be sentenced to prison. Oyo nigo amanyikanetebuna Hiram Kimathi ore omo constable police constable ndiko agotebanga niko bono arache korwe gwabuna ekengwazo ase amamocho atomire egokora gusingana asa amamocho atakoretiere omonyene korwase ngoro yayo omoncho murigirira apo negati bali bagotebanga yaya esiyekire obukorirwa abanyanyimbo bwabere bugutwara umuchando na aiga ndoche as a man police shot all but dead wono nga umwaziri bicha nere gabo na anamono kiroto kurigereria ase bunduki yore gabo nigekoro kibuna oyoiga obwo rekoni achi mask mwancho murigereria niko erogetie bicha y'abanyanyimbo bari bacete kumusagana umungwano yoro kone chimas kumanyikana tabuna Boniface Kariuki eme yomocho Nairobi esegotangas man police shot all but dead nige korokia buna bono nigo akwete kebongo gose brain dead yegotabanga contemptible esegotabanga reeling from the arrest and the prosecution of Nairobi police station OCS and police constable following the death of Albert Ojwang at the station. Police officers have come out, some boldly, others on condition of anonymity, to rubbish the shoot to kill order by Interior CS Kipchumba Murkomen ni gobono banyanyimbo bande banyale kugikiria chinkwana chae mowaziri Murkomen ekiranyale takoteba ekero abanyanyimbo abaiga bakumirana na balia abasalia kose bali bakusakana evinto anamono chinga gichokorobekana ngabanyale kubakalisa siguika ukukwa shoot to kill ni gobono aigatia abanyanyimbo bande besokirie maisomarore bagukwana na bande nigo bagenderete kwibisa asingincho yo kwegerera uborendi bwabo nabo yikara bakubura na tebwenereti igo bagoteba ngobukoreri obumboli obuya monjo murigire asingincho yebiro Gazeti ya Daily Nation yeritu koryarero nigo ero ndoche ringanalire rinenarro egukwanira chisemi ine gazeti ya Daily Nation egotebanga how senior schools will be categorized abana akero abaruki abacho segire de komi nakibono oparachi gwechora chiskuru ntocho gotwara chiskuru chigo chukobaganwa bunabona iga ntobwate old schools echamanya kanitebuna national schools ndo abate omorengo rio national schools ndo abate extra county schools na boigo sub county schools bono echochi baganire goikira chikaba buna bono cluster 1 echire national schools echochira chikoira aborokiwa abali bago chikwenyorera chisemi anamono emirimo yonsi irachi gutwara chipathway chonsi sato chipathway chinchire chimoncho murigire totararigire Semo yechu school egotebanga education career pathways include STEM, social sciences and arts and sports sciences. Ito bwate amangana ali STEM iyo bwate amangana yechisabo amangana abantu bagochokora engineering na boigo ebinto binde eyere kurukwa STEM na boigo ntubwate social sciences asibali bagochokora buna bono bwalimo amangana yo buralia na boigo chinsemo chinde na sensemo ya gatatu guse category ende nige bwate amangana arts and sports science amangana ya abantu bono nego tebaigonga arts and sports science bono aigase category chiri chamanyakana tebuna national schools bono aborokyo nigo baracho swaro chigo chikomanyakana bana cluster 1 echo chira chigotwara chipathway chonsi sato ndobate extra county schools na boigo sub county schools nigo chira chikoba class 2 3 and 4 lakini chonsi chira chigotwara pathways ibere ogo skuru go chigotwara chipathways sato nigere a national school gosenere ra chikoira libagaliri ya national schools gose echikoba cluster 1 mwancho murigereria nige gotebanga how senior schools will be categorized onyo ko rikete konyora umugano ya sinchira yo buikirano page ya kana ase gazeti ya Daily Nation yerituko riarero na boigo ndo chingo kwanire umugano oye Boniface Kariuki segotanga short hoka declared brain dead umugano ye page ya gatatu ekirego tebanga oyore koni chimas kibono nigo akwete ekebongo ekonyako nero nere gusingirira engane yo na sense moyende Ekatebanga rival camps emerge in ODM as rifts over Ruto alliance widen. Niko bono ndochenga imekia makia ODM niko yachakire korokana okungusana na okutindiko kwene kiwaroro kubwatekana kose ekirobono abarai bali meya ODM abangi babo bakorokana ngampara nyara gutwara mbali bagusira okubwatana kwekiamba kia ODM goso serikali na boigo mbali bagendete kogenda mamincha ninganeyu gose batako kiretinganeyu ekirobotabanga unity test niko ekororagana bono ekotanga splinter camps continue to emerge within a former prime minister ODM Raila Odinga's party over its association with President Ruto's Kenya Kwanza administration, with the top leadership of polling in opposite directions. Bono ngano nyeno burai ko siabatenene limeikia makia ODM bali abanene niko bakorrakana ngani go bakongusa kero muntu akongusira go chiko bwae bono okuiwana ngoyo page ya 5 na 3 nyorumugano yo ya gazeti ya Daily Nation yerituko riarero. kusuka posio gazeti ya People Daily egotebanga nero nigibwate oroboti oru sisiasi yo ime ya ekiama ekiga kia ODM na bwo kubwatana agosteo koros wa broad based government. In gazeti ya People Daily ekirotebanga why Ruto is stuck with Raila ningi yekogira almost William Ruto agendete kumutalira Raila atanyare kumubwatoka ose agendete kutalira uburai etimu yaye Muskerela Odinga ekotebanga Raila is the only man who can bring calm when things are boiling. Oiga omanyakirete na Haman Amanyora nigo agotebanga Raila nere o korokano morai bweka oranyare kobeka obotohereru kose ko beka umorembe chingaki ebinto byaberire kose ebinto byarorokande koba obobemono epeji yakane egazeti ne ya People Daily. Na ase gazeti yungo tebering how Mount Kenya suffered a brand of Gen Z protests epeji yakane ngorerubuna abamenyi beorogongoro Mount Kenya ono banyarete konyora asarene ne usingaki banyarete konyora oborema banyarete kole maligwa no kurubekana kwa basai wa Gen Z kwa korekaniste ewiki yaita. Na epeji ya gatano na limwe gazeti ya People Daily egotabanga Farouk Kibet's forays into Western raise eyebrows niko bono nere akorokandanga ukoro mbere liko soro okobwatana kwa ena abantu kurasoro gongora Western bono nigo rwachakire kumukia ribirira litindi ase apa Kenya epeji ya gatano na limo na epeji komena gatano na kabere egotebanga how technology is transforming waste management in Kisumu ni kwanira mangana yokorende bintu bitonchokanene gotigana ne gazeti yo mancho murigiria na se gazeti ya Taifa Leo iyo turachi gukorera nige gotebanga
Etwani yabugire ayo mwaro karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mwaro
ayo mwaro ka 2027 ukikaribia epeji ya kabere nikiegoteba bono tubwate abarai aba nene gusabarai bali bakororanga barachire emyaka yabo yarachira kebuna babo Moske Uhuru Kenyatta tubwate Moske William Ruto tubwate Moske Rigathi Gachagua Kalonzo tubwate na Obaigwa Raila Odinga ngabono nigekorokana basinyirwe korikichinjira cyoko baebereri gosokoreto rwembereri gochase ekigori kiga ya Gen Z ekiagera bono abasa baiga korokana nga mbara kwanerwe luga eri bakoigwa gosenga niko nonya bara basinyire inluga kiye gabarachiba kwane elinda abasa baiga banyare ko baitaba na asense mo yende ntobwate buna bono nebwate amangana asiasa chinde egotanga juhudi za CDF kuingia katika katiba ndo chinga ekiroto kurikiriria nganeri ya ekigancha kia NGCDF nigo abajumbe na boikomo speaker bagenda tukoliginchira yo kwane kya nekiganche kyo kyanyarire kobekwa ase katiba na ubongo waliyepigwa risasi wafa mancho murigire ngabono epeji ya kabere gotebanga orio nyarete wa risasi Boniface Kariuki nero iyo kwananga kebongo nigo anyarire gutumuka kebongo nsemo yende gotebanga njaa yatua katika jeshi kuanzia kesho. Gotebanga sasa wanajeshi kulipia chakula, serikali ikifuta mlo wa bure kuanzia Julai tarehe 1. abana jeshi aigasinse ya Kenya mwancho muri no mete butambe nigo babiri bakoegwa endagira ne serikali tibaranya gwakanira ndagira bono gochakire tarike ya muri tukori ankyo nigo bagochaka kwegurira endagira ngabono nigo baracheko ba enchare ine gazeti ya Taifa Leo yeri tuko riarera korende abono ngokorera chi gazeti mwancho murigeria na nerebia ekerondo chinga na bangi banyara goswa banyare kubwaterana na inche ase chinga kechiga chabono mambi kusabanyare gusanga na inche ase umurobere yobuno mugaka matembe chegesora Ben Owen Enyamweya Edwin Omwenga David Nakitare Eli Mwache Alivio Dan Ogaro Bonventure Movisa Christopher Tandi Pilipili Hoho Dominico Irere Natasha Mkiut Kefa Otiso Barnabas Ratemo Teresa Kemunto Obaigwa wabakinami abunegati yabari banyaragoswa ime yo murobere naboigo ntubote Wilfred nerekuro chinse muchabunjari nerunare mbe murobere Pastor Henry Ayora kurwa bogita nigote banga asubwenjema asebonsi bari gereti kose bari ime yo murobere kumancho murige asebirebiga nigongo irari bagari abene kumwariganya Stacy Miruka anyaragoswa iga ni eke Harosa iga nomurobero bwetwani ichigo sori eryo kwanekia onyare gukumanya narari agendrete ase ensemo eyo ikoto basa kosuka kenda utigara ime yo murobero bwetwani ya Getembe na asikiro egeke onyare gusanganere Stacy Miruka to basa kosuka ikira onsi na okoyenyorera aiga
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege
Umugusi igwa amaguri niga kiromoroka